cineinc.com.
You go ahead and you kill the journalists who speak their mind. So I think this is definitely a conspiracy.
Dictating me what to eat or what not to eat is not nationalism. Not just keep pointing out that the Congress could not do this or the previous government could not do that. You've been in power, you tell us what you are doing.
इंटॉलरेंट और नेशनलिज्म और राइट विंग कह के उन्हें ब्रांड किया जाता है, तो ये एक साजिश है जो अब नई सरकारें हैं उनके खिलाफ में।
I'm Akshita Mishra, standing in Ajmal Jamal Kidwai Mass Communication Research Center in Jamia. The topic on the floor of the House is Rise of Right-Wing Nationalism in India, and we have four very bright people with us today. We have Majid Alam, we have Aisha Khan, we have Intifada Bashir, and we have Isha Hussain. So Majid, a lot of people, a lot of free thinkers and academicians in the country are of the opinion that the debates and the discourses that people are having these days are painted in certain hues, in a specific color. So what do you think about it?
देखिए 1947 के बाद से लगातार हिंदुस्तान में एक ही तरह की सरकार रही जो कि कांग्रेस पार्टी है। तो जो दूसरी पार्टी है उनका ये कहना है कि जब वो सरकार में आए हैं तो इंटॉलरेंट और नेशनलिज्म और राइट विंग कह के उन्हें ब्रांड किया जाता है, तो ये एक साजिश है जो अब नई सरकारें हैं उनके खिलाफ में।
Aisha, what do you think about it? Do you think it's a conspiracy, the kind of debates that are happening these days, it's a conspiracy against the previous government who apparently ruled us for 70 years?
Yes, I do believe that it's a conspiracy. On one hand, you are saying that that the Congress hasn't done anything and that you are not promoting this Hindu nationalism. On the other hand, you go ahead and you lynch people. You kill the journalists. You go ahead and you kill the journalists who speak their mind. So I think this is definitely a conspiracy.
So what do you think, Intifada?
See, it's interesting the way that you phrase this. You call it the rise of right-wing nationalism. I don't think it's nationalism. Dictating me what to eat or what not to eat is not nationalism. Dictating if I should stand up in a movie theater before or after a movie is not nationalism. What to me is nationalism is like personally I have represented India on an international level. I've been to the US on part of the the Department of State program, and I represented India among 53 other countries. To me, that is nationalism. Rather than those people going around wearing khaki shorts and trying to find victims come this February 14th, what they do, that is not nationalism. That is, if we head that way, we are going towards dictatorship and not nationalism.
Picking up from what Intifada said, what do you think, Isha, about nationalism? Do you think nationalism is required in a nation state, so to say, or the whole? Do you agree with the whole concept of nationalism? And if yes, then what is your version of it?
So, according to me, I think I completely agree with Intifada in that nobody can tell me how I feel pride in terms of what my nation means to me. I cannot be told what I have to wear or what I have to do or where I have to go and at what time should I be back from wherever I am going. So for me, nationalism does not mean going out and shouting Vande Mataram on the streets. It means how I can make my nation better, how I can build it stronger, how I can make the youth understand how to take the nation forward. So for me, that is nationalism.
So Intifada, so Aisha, what do you think about nationalism? Like, you think a country should have the concept of nationalism and the youth should be influenced by it, or it should focus on other issues?
I definitely feel that we should focus on other issues rather than thinking of issues like banning beef or something like killing journalists. There are other things that need attention. For example, you are looking at what the flaws of the previous government. You are not looking at about the developments that they have done. They have built the IITs, the IIMs, etc. So yes, that should be taken into consideration, and we should definitely divert the minds of the people from the least important issues to the most important issues.
Also, before we go on and point out the flaws of the previous parties that have been in power, I think if we are really nationalistic, or if you really believe in building the nation, you would go and work on the issues that are plaguing the nation, and not just keep pointing out that the Congress could not do this or the previous government could not do that. You've been in power, you tell us what you are doing. Don't tell us what the previous governments could not do, because we were there and we did see what they could not do or what they could do.
So, Mr. Majid, as we can see, nobody has refuted, all three panelists have as yet not refuted the concept of nationalism. They very much believe in it, but they have different versions of it. आपका इसमें क्या कहना है? आपके हिसाब से जो अभी present wave of so-called nationalism है, क्या वो सही है या उसमें कुछ बदलाव लाना चाहिए जिससे उसे mass acceptance मिले?
देखिए, इसमें यहाँ बहुत सारी बातें निकली हैं, जैसे बीफ पे बात निकली है और बहुत सी तरह की क्या पहनना चाहिए क्या नहीं पहनना चाहिए। तो कुछ लोग हमारे समाज में होते हैं जो कि उल्टी बात करते हैं, जिनका सरकार से कोई ताल्लुक़ नहीं होता है। अब अगर वो बयान दे रहे हैं तो उनके बयान को आपको माइंड नहीं करना चाहिए और ऐसे बयानों को खारिज कर देना चाहिए। आजकल सोशल मीडिया बहुत ही ज़्यादा चर्चे में, हर आदमी के पास सोशल मीडिया है, तो हर आदमी को एक ओपिनियन अपना जाहिर करने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो आप राइज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म कह रही हैं, इसका कहीं ना कहीं ताल्लुक़ सोशल मीडिया से है, क्योंकि हमारे सोसाइटी में कुछ लोग हैं वही ऐसी भाषा को फैलाते हैं। और जहाँ पे बीफ की बात है तो वहाँ मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी में गाय काटने को मना किया गया है। तो हमें इस सोसाइटी का पार्ट होने को लेके और जो मेजॉरिटी वर्ग है उनको रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए और हमें सबको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए। और जहाँ पे नेशनलिज्म की बात है तो वहाँ पे मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो इंडिया है, और अगर आप इंडिया और इंडिया के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में और इंडिया के फ्लैग में अगर आप बिलीव करते हैं तो जाहिर सी बात आप नेशनलिस्ट हैं।
Thank you so much. With this, we conclude the discussion for today. It was a very enlightening one. We hope to see you all again.